The truth behind Jung So-min and Jung Hae in dating rumors. Love Next Door has captured everyone's attention with its unique plot, but let's be honest, the real magic comes from the sizzling chemistry between Jung So-min and Jung Hae-in. But hold on, it's not just about the drama. Lately, their interactions have been heating up in real life, and fans are wondering, could they be the next Dispatch power couple? Keep watching to find out the latest details, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more juicy updates. The drama, Love Next Door, surely stole everyone's heart with its unique and refreshing plotline, but no one can deny the fact that Jung So-min and Jung Hae-in's sizzling chemistry was the main factor that skyrocketed the drama's performance immensely. But we are not here for that. Recently, the Jung couple made everyone wear their detective glasses because their recent interactions are going in a romantic direction. So to know more what is going on and will they be Dispatch's next power couple? Jung So-min and Jung Hae-in are one of the most popular actors in the Korean industry and have a number of dramas under their belt. However, one common thing both of them shared is that they are extremely introverted, especially Jung Hae-in. Throughout his career. Hae-in worked with stellar actresses including Kim Go-yoon, Sun Ye-jin, Blackpink Jisoo, Oh and others. While they all have formed great bonds, Jung Hae-in always maintained a distance from all of them, like he kept a respectful awkward barrier between all of them. On the flip side, Jung So-min has always been an actively bubbly person and mood maker of the set, and she uses a lot of body language and expressive facial looks. She jokes a lot and loves to make others laugh too. Of course, she does all this when her social battery is full, otherwise So-min is also like Jung Hae-in. So-min worked with hot actors including Lee Jae-wook, Seo In-guk, and Kim Hyun-jung. Over the years they all have become great with So-min, but Jung Hae-in and Jung So-min's full potential was unlocked when the two crossed paths for Love Next Door. Their chemistry with the BTS of the drama has been so good that the director and staff members raised their eyebrows, wondering if they are just friends or if something else is brewing between them. In an interview with the Elle Korea Chemistry Workshop event, Jung Hae-in revealed his first impression when he got to know that So-min would take the lead role. He was quite excited and was really looking forward to their chemistry, which obviously outshines so much that fans and netizens are shipping them hard and are dying for their dating news already. Don't worry, because we got you all covered up. BTS of the drama, So-min and Hae-in laughed to their heart's content. So-min took care of Hae-in and tried to make things easier for him. Furthermore, during their promotional event, Hae-in revealed that they often went out together at restaurants after filming for every episode to know each other more better, and it was during those moments Hae-in realized that So-min is a charming woman and gradually started to develop romantic feelings for her, which he tried to keep them under the rug but failed to do so because, according to industry insiders, it has been stated when the filming of the drama ended, Hae-in and So-min went out for a late-night drive-through and he kept the car parked at an isolated area. The two reportedly spent a long time inside the car, so many assumed they were spending some intimate moments, and Hae-in confessed his feelings for her. After the filming of the drama, they recently went to Bali for Harper's Bazaar magazine photo shoot. The photos were drop-dead gorgeous and two of them looked amazing. Bazaar magazine held an interview for them where the two of them had a playful bantering and an indirect flirting was present between them. In the interview, So-min shared that Hae-in gifted her a cap, which she wears every day. So you can already guess they're dating and secretly sending gifts to each other. How adorable! What added fuel to their dating rumors more is their own giveaway activities, which prove they're dating no matter how many different angles you try to see them. During their Netflix ASMR session, Jung Hae-in did not hesitate to hold So-min's hands or come closer to her. This was a big moment because Hae-in never relaxes around any women that easily. So-min was always way too bubbly around him. Furthermore, the way they looked at each other was really charming. In another Elle Korea, they gave each other cute pet names. What was more sweet is that Jung Hae-in memorized by heart that So-min does not like coriander at all. Hae-in, on the other hand, remembers the tiniest details of Hae-in too. It's as if they are made for each other. In the Melon Music playlist interview, They shared the same passion for music, their hobbies, interests, favorite food, and many things that aligned perfectly. It's like those Kadrama moments, Where do the main leads just click? Staring at each other wondering where you were all these times? Jung Hae-in and Jung So-min are the same. Jung So-min has been single for a long time after her breakup with her then partner Lee Joon, whom she met in 2017 while filming for the drama My Father is Strange. After 4 years of being together, they called it quits because of a busy schedule in 2020. Since then, So-min has been solely focusing on her career, but lingering moments of her painful heartbreak were still present. However, it all washed after 4 long years when fate finally brought Hae-in in her life. As for Jung Hae-in, his dating history is like a clean slate. There were rumors, sure, but he never got embroiled in any scandals, but for So-min that's a different story. He is ready to risk it all for her. Dispatch has been speculating that according to their frequent interactions and those intimate car rides, it is a matter of time before the Jung couple will surprise us, just like how IU Lee Jong-suk did. So this 31st December, keep an eye on the news, especially the big headlines, because Jung Hae-in and Jung So-min may become the Dispatch's new year power couple. More years ahead for the Jung couple. They are truly a couple's goal, for now saving love life in private. Another exciting news is that Jung Hae-in may appear in a Japanese drama. Thank you so much for watching this video. So what are your thoughts about Hae-in and So-min? Drop them in the comments section. Bye, see ya!